Today, we will be talking about the best ways to make money with your creativity. Crochet and knitting aren't just hobbies, they are profitable business opportunities with growing demand. Whether you're a beginner or experienced crafter, there are several unique ways to monetize your skills. We will explore the best crochet and knitting business ideas you can start right now that can help you turn your passion into a thriving income stream. Make sure to smash that like button and let's get started. The first business idea is crochet mood plushies, trendy and high demand. These adorable reversible plushies can switch between two moods, happy or sad, excited or sleepy, and people love them. To make money with this, sell them on Etsy, Instagram, or TikTok shop. Offer custom facial expressions and color to make them one of a kind. Market to students, office workers, and stress relief lovers. Offer custom mood plushies with personalized expressions. For marketing, post before and after transformation videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts showing the plushies changing moods. These go viral fast. Partner with mental health influencers to showcase the benefits. Run limited edition seasonal plushie sales. Seasonal plushies, for example, Halloween or Christmas, sell out quickly. The second idea is knitted sneakers and shoe covers. Knitted sneakers covers are the next big thing in handmade fashion. Imagine a trendy, cozy cover that transforms basic sneakers into a unique, stylish look. To make money, sell to fashion influencers and eco-conscious buyers who love sustainable fashion. Offer custom sneakers covers with patterns and initials. For marketing, create before and after sneakers transformations on TikTok and also YouTube Shorts. Show a basic sneakers turning into a fashion statement. Pin your sneakers design on Pinterest to attract trendy buyers. DIY crochet plant hangers and wall hanging is the next idea. Home decor is a huge market. Crochet plant hangers, macrame-inspired wall art, and decorative baskets are super popular. To make money, sell on Etsy, Instagram, and Amazon Handmade. Partner with interior designers to get custom orders. Create seasonal decor collection like boho, Christmas, or minimalist. For marketing, post time-lapse DIY videos of you making the plant hangers. These get crazy views. Also, Pinterest is your best friend. Pin your work to attract home decor lovers. The next idea is luxury hand-knitted blankets. Chunky wool blankets are a premium product that sells for about $200 per piece. These are perfect for cozy home aesthetics and gift markets. To make money, use chunky merino wool for a luxurious feel. Market as relaxation blankets and high-end home decor for luxury homes. Sell custom-made blanket for a personal touch. Offer limited edition seasonal colors. For marketing, post cozy aesthetic blanket photos on Instagram and Pinterest. And here's a little secret. ASMR knitting videos is equal to viral content. Position your blankets as luxury gifts for weddings and holidays. Another amazing idea is luxury crochet handbags. This is profitable because designer crochet handbags can sell for about $80 to $300 on Etsy and Shopify. Note well, designer handbags. To get started, focus on boho, minimalist, or vintage designs. Use high-end yarn, cotton, raffia, jute, for a luxe feel. Offer custom monogram bags. Market your bags as handmade slow fashion to attract eco-conscious buyers. Personalized crochet dolls is the next idea. This is profitable because custom dolls sells for around $50 to over $200 each. Niche markets like baby gifts, pet replicas, and cartoon characters are booming. To get started, offer custom dolls, for example, wedding dolls or family dolls. Focus on trendy designs like anime, book characters, or movie themes. Sell through Etsy, Shopify, or local craft markets. Partner with mom bloggers and influencers for promotions. The next idea is crochet clothing. Sweaters, tops, and cardigans. This is profitable because handmade crochet tops and cardigans sell for around $80 to $300. Festival and boho fashion is always trending. To get started, create trendy crop top and oversized sweaters. Offer seasonal collections like summer lace top or winter cozy sweaters. Sell on Etsy, Instagram, and Depop. Add custom embroidery and beading for an exclusive touch. The next idea is crochet pet accessories, sweaters, beds, and toys. These are profitable because pet lovers spend big money on stylish pet products. Custom crochet pet sweaters and beds sell for around $50 to $150. To get started, make trendy sweaters like pastel colors or matching sets for owners. Sell custom pet beds and plushies. Market to dog and cat influencers for brand exposure. Offer seasonal and holiday collections like Halloween, Christmas, or Easter. The next idea is knitted fingerless gloves and cozy accessories. This is profitable because handmade wrist warmers, beanies, and scarves sell for about $300 to $100. They are perfect for the fall and winter markets. To get started, use luxury yarn like cashmere or merino wool. Offer matching sets for a higher price point. Sell on Etsy, craft fairs, and holiday markets. Make limited edition seasonal colors to increase demand. Crochet baby and newborn gifts is the next big idea. Crochet baby blankets, booties, and bonnets sell for around $30 to $150. To get started, offer custom name embroidery. Create gender neutral and pastel collections. Sell on Etsy, baby boutiques, and Instagram. Bundle sets for higher sales, example matching hat, blanket, and toy. The final idea is crochet and knitting subscription boxes. Whether you're focused on boho home decor, festival fashion, or custom pet accessories, there's a huge market waiting for you. Comment below which of these ideas excites you the most. Now that you have those profitable crochet and knitting business ideas, here's how to scale up fast. Create a strong social media presence. TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest are gold mines for handmade businesses. Offer custom orders. Personalization is equal to high profits. Use viral content strategies. Post ASMR knitting videos, DIY tutorials, and transformation clips. Start an email list and offer exclusive discounts and sneak peeks. Would you start a crochet and knitting business? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more profitable business ideas. Remember, you got this. Boss up.